Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful, gorgeous home in the town of Punta Gorda, Florida. If you don't know what that is, Punta Gorda is a small town near Port Charlotte and Northport in Florida. Guys, the home is gorgeous. It is so glam. I cannot wait to show it to you. I know you guys are going to love it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and please share it on your social media pages and with a friend. Now let's start from the beginning. This is a luxury lakefront property with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and an office. These beautiful barn doors in the entryway and in the office definitely make a big statement in the foyer. They look black, but they are in navy blue. Look at the design in the ceiling, you guys. I love it. You're gonna be seeing so many different designs in the ceiling throughout the house. I would like to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Once again, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Big thank you to all of you, my beloved returning Glam Squad. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. The view in this house is to live for. I love it. It's one of my favorite things in the house. The accent wall with the navy blue, so gorgeous. If you would like to know how much this house is priced for, please stay tuned. I will reveal the price at the end. This is another statement ceiling. I think the designer put so much thought when designing the house. I can imagine having a glam chandelier up there.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best.
I love the tile in this bathroom, you guys. I know I kept saying I love a lot of things in this house, but I do. This is a super glam, modern, luxury master bathroom. Of course, it has his and hers vanity.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all, the
I was so amazed by the outdoor living. I could not take it anymore. I had to go outside to see it closer. So we're gonna come back to the other bedrooms later. Of course, through the master suite, I have direct access to the outdoor space.
Now don't be shy, we'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like
The house comes with a built-in hurricane guard or fence. For those of us who are not used with hurricane, it is the black thing you see going down. It is a very strong fence. In the case of any major hurricane, there will be no need to board the house. It is very impressive. Yeah, I know I'm from New York. I am not used with stuff like that.
love, love, the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Now we're gonna go visiting the other two bedrooms. Just in case if you're wondering, Punta Gorda is not one of the places that I'm considering to move to. I was on my way to a cruise. I stopped by the area for some business adventure. I stumbled on this home. I thought I would share it with you guys. That explains why I did not upload any video for last week, but now I am back and ready to upload. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this home or this particular video, and what was your favorite part about the house. Are you ready to find out how much this house is in the market for? Drum roll, please. It starts at $620,000. The pool, the patio, and the hurricane guard are all included for that price. So what do you think about the price? Were you surprised or was it expected? Please leave a comment below. Let me know which one. My beautiful friends, please show me your love by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with someone. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Big thank you for stopping by. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.